desired deliver. Holy. I mean, I'm a little like shocked. Yesterday, Kyle cleaned out one of the garage bays, and today we had someone come and sign a lease and pay first month's rent and security deposit. So that's one of the 3 that we have listed. That's good to go. Now today we're gonna finish hardying what Kyle started yesterday, and that's our game plan.
This old Stanley chalk line is my father's father's. It's missing a screw, but it's pretty awesome. Still using it.
Quickly, just want to point out a few things I did off camera yesterday. Every tub surround needs some sort of moisture barrier. I'm using Hardy Backer for this job, so I wrapped the framing around the tub with 6mm polyethylene sheeting. This will act as a moisture barrier between the studs and the backer board, so if there's ever any compromise in the grout, it'll prevent any mold growth if the water were to ever make it behind the Hardy.
And then do you like sand these little bumps down, or when you do the kind of evens out?
It just kind of evens out. But you want to drive them so that they're below the surface. They're like just below the surface. Yeah, so when you put them in, give it like a push in it. When you push it in, like see how they're kind of angled so one edge is sticking up real high?
Yeah.
You want to try to shoot it in square.
Wow.
It's gonna, there you go. It's gonna hold it with the most strength.
Yeah. I'm gonna twist my back out.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah, so when you put the next ones in, just put them in square.
Just be more square.
I'm marking out the diverter and the water line and cut it out. So let's see if we can do it once. I don't know if you guys remember the hardwood flooring and the water line in the kitchen at Little Pal. Let's see if I can do this in one shot.
Cement board is pretty rough on blades, so drilling little relief cuts will help you save your jigsaw blade a bit. It's a smart idea if you're going to be DIYing projects. Get blades and bits for specific materials. For example, cobalt bits for metal, and only using them on those materials. It's the best way to keep them sharp and get the most life out of them. Unlike me, you see I'm using a wood bit here. It was already pretty burned up, so I didn't feel like taking the trip down the 2 flights to the garage to get my mason bits.
Probably burning this bit up.
I would say you're 100% burning that bit up.
It's not a mason bit. It like just dulls razors up like super fast. Like, I think I've gone through like just in the shower. I've gone through a full pack of razors. I think that's what was in the blade when I bought it. So that I had like 4 in the blade, and then I had 6 in the pack. So it's like 10 razors. That's a lot of money. I've gone through. So we're gonna do that.
I never remembered to put those types of things in our itemized budget. So always fun when he makes $100 Home Depot run and buys bits, blades. I'm learning. I'll add them next time.
What up, what up? Come on, kid. Woo! That don't happen often.
Beautiful. I don't have as much weight to put behind the drill as Kyle does. So I gotta like get the torque from other places. So I feel like I'm constantly like I have a lot of trouble with the ones that are above my head. I don't know how you're supposed to, like, you know. I ran out of screws.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, baby. Who said yoga pants can't be work pants? They got the same pocket. It's like a built-in tool belt. This is the last one.
This is the last one.
Last one.
All the floor's done. Tub surround's done. Good job.
As we know, I lost the kitchen cabinet battle again. Tried to paint them. Kyle got his way, so we're doing all new. Normally we do the design online, which we did, and then we go into the store to kind of finalize it, make sure that we didn't make any mistakes, and we usually order it while we're in store too. But we can't do that because of the stay-at-home order during COVID. So we had a virtual meeting with a kitchen design rep yesterday. Well, Kyle did.
It was awesome. I mean, it was exactly, if you were to go to the store, Representative is able to sit there with you and basically just go through that kitchen designer, and they know the system a lot better than we do. So they're like, oh yeah, this can go there, this can go there. How about, do you ever think of this idea? So they'll bounce ideas off you. Basically the same thing, just virtual.
They did do that after they discussed Barstool pizza reviews for probably the majority of the time.
You saw how he cut himself?
Yeah.
I feel like he's just constantly cutting himself.
Well, when I watched yesterday, he like dropped his pizza like 5 times as he's videoing.
So either way, we got the design down. We're ready to order. Our rep told us that I have to call IKEA. And in the past, I will be honest and say that IKEA is extremely difficult to get a hold of on the phone. Ooh.
Press 1.
Yeah, that's me.
Check the status at 1.
One.
For business and commercial sales, for all other inquiries, please remain on the line.
I'm assuming we're...
We are experiencing higher than normal contact volumes and are unable to take your call at this time. We apologize for the inconvenience.
They just said no?
Visit us online at www.ikea.com/us to place your kitchen order online. Thank you for calling IKEA.
I can't believe they just gave us the FU button.
Wow.
Okay.
An automated FU button too.
So now I am going through our parts list, and I am just entering every single SKU into their website, and I'm just gonna try to order it that way and hope I don't mess up. Surprisingly, everything we wanted for our kitchen is in stock, so I am just checking out now. I have to pay for shipping, which I think is kind of annoying considering I don't have the option to go to the store and pick it up right now, but desired delivery. Holy! The soonest it will deliver is June 21st.
How?
I mean, I'm a little shocked. I knew it was going to be delayed, but I didn't think it was going to be delayed over 2 months. After finding out our cabinets can't be delivered for 2 months, we placed an order for LVP flooring and bath tile with Floor & Decor. And of course, with our luck, some of the transition pieces we need are back ordered as well. And if that wasn't enough, our construction inspections are delayed. COVID-19 is having a greater impact on our renovations than we thought. We were driving down to the house to add electric receptacles to the double garage bay because we finally got it rented. We're getting $300 a month for that, plus the $150 we're getting for the single bay, which is $450 in additional cash flow. So we're very excited to have that extra money coming in. And we also brought our little furry friend, Bodie. Oh my God, he's so tucked and sleepy. Okay, we're gonna whisper because he's sleeping now. But this is the first time he's gonna be at the house, and I'm very excited because we're gonna be house hacking, and I hope he loves his new home. This is Bodhi's first day at Big Green, and I think it's easy to say that he's loving it. What do you think, buddy? Oh, yeah. Oh, the belly rubs. Oh, the belly rubs. Here you go, boy.
In the next episode, COVID delays lead to some woodworking projects that'll help streamline renovations, some dirty old carpet gets removed, and we find a pleasant surprise hidden behind some plaster in the master bedroom.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to BiggerPockets, and check us out on Instagram at Rentals12.